So here are the top 4 educational platforms in South Africa for the youth of South Africa that you can watch to grow and enrich your mind. So the first one is Zero Africa, TikTok and YouTube. Zero Africa, Zero Foundation. So kind of like I want to explain of it about abantu abanjani and black success stories ziyafumaneka, black pain stories ziyafumaneka, and just Zero Africa educational platform onayibukela. The second one is the Summer Summit. So we also talk about it. So Zero, it's a young man like me. No, Summer, it's a young man. So like also talk about South Africa, about the issues in South Africa, and also provide solutions on how to combat those issues and also strategize. I think very wise man who some submit no Zero Africa. Well, listen to them. The third one on the list is Citizens Concerned on YouTube. Both some submit on YouTube and TikTok. Then Citizens Consent on YouTube and TikTok. It's a wise lady that talks about South African issues and also wants educate South Africans. Just like Zero and Summer, Citizen also educates. It's like wise people in South Africa that I find that were very educational and very informational. So the fourth and the last one is Unkomonde. I think about TikTok. I don't know about YouTube, but TikTok. He was trended about a president in exposing Jane London. But besides that, very well wise guy and a lot. I learn a lot from these 4 platforms. I think if you want to also learn and enrich your mind as a South African young person, listen to these 4 platforms. Watch them, save them. I also try to do educational things, but I'm still starting. But yeah, these are my, can call them inspiration. So Zero Africa, YouTube, TikTok, Summer Summit, YouTube, TikTok, Citizens Consent, YouTube, TikTok, Command, Policy, go TikTok. I'm not sure about it. You want to go Instagram. Danko.